Hi! This week, kindergarten students, you're going to learn how to write sentences. Isn't that so exciting? You're going to have a piece of paper that has lines on it, or you can find one of the piece of papers that I have that has lines and then a place for your name and a place where you can draw a picture. Okay? So that's what we're going to do this week. There's going to be 2 different videos where we write sentences together. So make sure you have everything and you're ready to write with me. The first sentence that we are going to write is we can jog. Can you say that? We can jog. What is the first word that we write in this sentence? We. Sound it out with me. W-E. Whenever we write a sentence, we always put a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. This tells us it's the beginning. So here we go. I'm going to sound it out and write a capital letter. W-E. Can you write that on your paper and make yours look like mine? Then what was the next word in our sentence? We can. Give me the sounds. K, a, n. Okay, that's what we're going to write. But before we write, we have to make a space. So we're going to put our finger down to make a space. And then remember where our finger was and write k, a, n. Got to make sure there's a space. Then we know that it's a new word. We can jog. That's the next word, jog. Sound it out. J, a, g. Okay, this is a new word, so we have to make a space. We're going to put our finger down to see what kind of space we need. We're going to move over and we're going to write J, A, G. Read the whole sentence with me. We can jog. That's the whole sentence. Whenever we get to the end of a sentence, we have to put a punctuation mark. Usually, it's a period, which is just a little dot that sits right on the baseline. Okay, look at your sentence and read it with me. We can jog. Good job. Excellent. We're going to write one more sentence together, and it says, my dog can run. Say that with me. My dog can run. The first word is my. Sound it out. I. This is our y. I. At the beginning of a sentence, we always put a capital letter. So here we go. We got to make a capital. I. And we remember it was our y. I. Good. Check your work. Make sure yours looks like mine. My dog. Good. Give me the sounds. D, A, G. That's what we're going to write. We're going to make sure that we have a space. So we put our finger down to see. And then we're going to move over and we're going to write D, A, G. Check yours and make sure it looks like mine. My dog, what's the next word? Can. Ooh, we've already written can, but let's sound it out. K, a, n. Let's make a space And we're going to write k, a, n. Doing our very, very best to make sure everything sits on the baseline. My dog can run. Give me the sounds. R, a, n. What do I need to do before I write this word? We make a space. So we put our finger down and we write r, a, n. Is this the complete sentence? Yes, let's read it. We've got my dog can run. That's what we said. So what do we put at the end of a sentence? A period. So we make a little period right there. Excellent job. Okay, you can keep these papers and you can read your sentences that you wrote. You can also draw a picture that matches these sentences. We can jog. My dog can run. Oh, these sentences are kind of related. We could probably draw a picture that matches both of these sentences. All right, let's read both of the sentences together, and then you can draw a picture. We can jog. My dog can run. Excellent job. Good writers. We will see you later. Bye-bye.